Hello everyone, my name is Harry and this is my review. In today's video I would like to share with you how to access an air cleaner from Bajaj Boxer X150. So every vehicle has an air cleaner which supplies the air, and then it takes the air directly from the carburetor, and then the air goes direct to the combustion chamber where the air is being mixed with the fuel. So for this motorcycle, this is our engine, and this is the carburetor. So when I pull the throttle like this, whether I pull down or I pull up, so the amount of air which is being controlled by the carburetor here, which goes to the control engine or to the engine where the combustion is being burnt, the air intake is done by here. So if you want to access it here, either by the purpose of trying to see if it is clean, or you want to make it clean, or you want to change it, so you need a screwdriver like this one. I don't know, this one looks like a star, if you can see well, but this is the bolt which holds this top cover. So you just unscrew like this. It may take some times, but the intention is to make sure this one get off. I think in a few seconds it will be done. Okay. After loosening this one, you see it's already loose. So there are a few holes on the top here which support this top cover. So you have to just hold it down here and then snap it like this. There is little hole here which you can snap by using your finger. Once you snap it out, it will come out. Just be gentle so that you don't break anything. Okay, it's already out, and then you pull it a little bit on the back, then you can access the air filter. Okay, now there it goes. And then from here you can see there was a little label here which showed you the number of the air filter it used. But so far, if you go to the dealers and then you tell them the motorcycle model, no problem. So to access this one as well, you have to snap these bolts. So we have about 4 of them. You have to take one by one. Okay. Oh, so these bolts are a little bit longer. Put it in a place where it will be easy for you to access later on the replacing back this cover. Oh, I just dropped this one. So from here you can see it's a little bit dirty, but this is just the cover. This is not the actual air cleaner. The actual air cleaner is inside on this cover. Once you remove all the bolts, try to loosen this one a little bit. Try to see if it is getting loose. If it doesn't getting loose, try to support it by using 2 hands. If it doesn't come out, try it a little bit. I think it will come out. Oh, there it snaps off. So this is the cover for the air filter, and this is our air filter. To take this one off, you need a few things. You need a pliers like this one, whereby you can hold on the edge of this. And then pull it a little bit. As you can see, it's getting off nice and easy. So this is the air cleaner. So this is the intake whereby the air is being sucked from, and this is where the air is being dilated to the carburetor. If you can see, mine here is a little bit dirty, so I have to think about cleaning it before replacing it. But once it becomes too dirty, I think I will change it, and I think I can use this one maybe for 1 month, and then I have to change this one. After some minutes of cleanup, that's how it looks from the exterior or from the external of the air cleaner house. And I have just cleaned this one by using this one. This is VVO 4D. It's a multi-purpose anti-rust lubrication, but it works fine even by removing some oily stains. After some minutes, you can see the air cleaner intake inside there. That's where the air is being sucked to the carburetor, then to the engine. This is the air cleaner. After some minutes of cleanup, this one is not so clean, but at least it's a little bit better compared to before. So I have to replace this one, and I think I will use this one for about a month, and then I will consider changing this one, going to buy a new one. So how to replace this one? You just have to hold it as always. You took it out like this. Remember this mark, it stays below here, and then you have to replace like this. But before replacing, remember, you can even take out this one, the strainer itself. The strainer itself. And then you can clean if you find this one is too much dirt. And then to replace, you have to replace this one first by placing it on the edge of the air cleaner housings once it fits up to the end. And then you take the air cleaner, you turn this side up like this, and then you slide it inside like this. Just be gentle so that you don't break anything. Once it snaps to the end, you have to take the cover which you took out before, which is this one, and it has a little marker down here. So this one here, it has to fit here. So this is like an indicator that this one goes down and the other side goes up. You just turn like this side, you put it in place. Is the way you took it out. After that, you have to take your bolts the way you took it out, replace one by one. And then take out your screwdriver so that you tighten them well. Make sure you tighten this one well so that by the other time when you take the motorcycle to the bay wash, there will be no water which will get into these places. So make sure you tighten it well so that no water get in. Once you're sure that it is well tightened, please take back your cover, and by just looking, it has 2 snaps. We have these snaps here, and then we have this one. This one goes just right here, and then this one goes right here, and then this bolt here will bolt to this place. So just replace back your cover by snapping from the top, even by just aiming the first one, the second one will fit as well. It is all snapped, and from the back it is all snapped, so it won't fall. After that, take your screwdriver so that you bolt this one well. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and that's how to get the cover from the air cleaner, for either for the purpose of changing or making it clean. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss other future updates, and see you on the next one.